Hello, I am Torikul Islam Swadesh. I am from Bagerhat. I have passed my SSC examination from Rainda Pilot High School and I have passed my ACC examination from GOV Sundarban Adorsho College, Khulna. I have completed my bachelor degree in Tourism and Hospitality Management from Daffodil International University, Dhaka, Bangladesh. I want to be a successful hotelier. I have worked experience at Pan Pacific, Sonargaon, Dhaka, Bangladesh, and work experience at Bangabandhu International Conference Center at the Department of Food and Beverage Service. In my university life, I organized a cultural event which is called Khelar Hat Bazar, and I am organized our best tour. I can speak Bangla, English, and Hindi. My soft skill is PowerPoint and MS Word, etc. My hobby is traveling, cooking, watching movies, playing cricket. That's all about me. Thanks for watching.